Hi guys, it's Talia and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am super excited because I'm going to be talking about my iPhone 11, not Pro, but 11. I got a new phone, so I was really excited. The other phone had a little accident, so it's time for a new phone. I got my iPhone 11. Yay! Today I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone 11 and I'm super excited to show you guys and kind of give you a little demo of my iPhone. Excited to see what's all the hype about it. I'm just like super happy. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia guys and welcome to my channel. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you like. That is pretty much it. So let's jump right into the video and talk about the iPhone 11. The Apple company came out with so many colors for the iPhone 11. You can pick out for your phone. They have yellow, green, they have a purple, they have red, black, and white. You have all these options for you to pick out a phone. There's more gigabytes, which is 64, 128, and the other one I think is like 220 something. I'm not so sure, somewhere in the 200s. So you got the 128 because it's more memory, and the other phone that I had was the lowest memory. I got the iPhone 11 in purple. Oh, I am so happy. Actually, my mom helped me out pick out the color because at first I was gonna get it in black or white, and my mom said, how come you don't get the purple? I was like on Instagram, Pinterest to see the colors, and obviously they look more like in the lighter tones, and I did. I got the purple iPhone 11. My mom got the green one, which is more like a teal green. Boxing my iPhone, this is all purple, the logo is purple. To open this box up, I did had to order it because some of the stores did not have the purple, so it was on back order and I had to wait, and I just ordered it online instead. I did went to T-Mobile, so obviously the box opened because the guys helped me to transfer all my important things to my other phone, or the chip to the new phone. So they helped me out, the specialist at T-Mobile, so that was really nice of them. Go ahead and open up the box. And then here is the iPhone 11. Wow, it's so pretty. I love it because it's not like a dark purple, but it's so pretty. It's light, it's cute. Obviously, like I said, I kind of unboxed it at the T-Mobile, helping me like connect with my phone, transfer all this stuff to my old phone to the new one. Open out your box, it comes with this. Designed by Apple in California. Open this up. Here I have like a little alcohol wipe, and I also have this cloth. I did buy a screen protector for my phone because that is the most important thing, guys, getting a screen protector for your phone so it won't get scratched. I paid 40 bucks for the screen protector. It was not cheap, but here is the little hello. Gives you little instructions like welcome to iPhone, gives you how to turn it on and all those features and swipe. I was having trouble to like look at my notifications, turn on the volume, the brightness of the screen. I was like trying to look for like, how do you do that? And I asked my brother, and then I asked my mom, and no one couldn't figure it out. Control center, it kind of helps you like swipe up is to home, to go home, and swipe down. So if you swipe down, it's from the upper right corner to quickly control your music. So I was having issues with that. And then the whole kit, accessories, and more. So if you swipe down, if you swipe up, it takes you directly home. So always read the instructions if you don't know how to like really control your phone, because I had problems with that. And it also has Face ID to recognize your face to unlock your phone, which is really cool. Apple Pay payments, perform other tasks, and it's like buttons once to sleep or wake. Press twice to activate your Apple Pay, and then press hold to turn on the iPhone or activate Siri. Check out the tips Apple get most from the iPhone. Tap to wake. So tap anywhere and your phone will light up, like turn on. So always read the instructions. Obviously, when I open a box or whatever, I don't even read the instructions. Even the same like TVs, I just turn it on, do my thing, go to settings, and then connect. Yeah, that's all I do. So it comes with this little thing. I have no idea what this called, so I'm really sorry. To move your SIM card, my SIM card to my new car, so obviously I have an extra SIM card. So this is like a brand new SIM card. I have not used it, so this is just like a backup, I guess. And I got little stickers blocking for your cord to charge your phone. And then you also get this cord to charge your phone. So obviously always in your phones it comes with these items, accessories. It comes with headphones. Normally I use them when my AirPods are run out of battery, they're dead. So I have these for backups. I always keep my AirPods and my earbuds in my purse. So that's pretty much it in this box. This is my phone, guys. I'm so happy. It's funny because I jumped to iPhone 7 to 11. I am super excited that I got myself an iPhone 11. It's like a beautiful purple light tones. I just love it how it looks. Here is like all black because you know my old phone, it was like white on the bottom. It's like half cut my phone, my apps and everything. So everything got transferred to the new phone. However, I have to log in. So good thing my special notes that I keep all like important usernames, passwords and emails and all that. I keep that in my old phone and I'm so happy it got transferred to the new phone. For the screen protector, which is already on it, so they do it for you or you can do it yourself. Screen protector on so that you can see. I got glass screen protector, so it's not like just a regular screen protector. It's glass with tray. Your phone literally drops, it really protects your phone. You might find a cheaper one at Amazon, is up to you, but I got mine T-Mobile. Obviously I went to go pick out a case and T-Mobile didn't have any good cases. I went to Best Buy and I found a Kate Spade iPhone 11 phone case. I got this case, it's so pretty. So I did got this phone case and it was $39.99. It was not on special. Sad. Not pink, obviously it looks pink because of the background. I'm just gonna remove this. A clear phone case. It has like little flowers and then in the middle of it is pink and it has little diamonds. So I thought that was really cute. It just goes with my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and voila. It looks so cute because it has purple and then pink and then diamonds. It just looks absolutely beautiful. Of course, my background is Theo, always gonna be Theo no matter what. Everything's the same, my apps and all that. So this one is like a full screen and that's what I love. I took this picture with my iPhone 11 and it looks so pretty, like the colors and everything, it just looks absolutely beautiful. Two cameras obviously, and it's just so pretty. Like I really like it. Everything else is like the same. Battery is full charge according to the Apple phone. Okay, so it has 64 memories. I got the 128 gigabytes, but there's 64, 128, 256 gigabytes. You have 6 choices of color. I really like about the iPhone 11 because it's really affordable. The iPhone 11 Pro is like worth $1,000. Checking out the iPhone 11 and asked the guy what is the difference with the iPhone 11 Pro. He said that's just the quality of the camera. It's about the same. It's just the other one has a third lens. It takes the same pictures, more way to zoom in and zoom out, a better quality. But what I like about this one is that it's worth only $749. That is like really not bad. And want the more gigabytes, it's actually 849, so it's almost like about 900. And the 64 is 699. That's like not bad. For this, it has like an ultra wide and the cameras with the night mode. The pixels is like 1792 by 828, which is really cool. Retina HD, and then it has a longer battery phone. I charged it last night and have not charged my phone whatsoever. It is 356 right now. I don't know if you can see 356, and right now the phone is 76%, and I was out doing errands using my phone a lot. The battery lasts longer. It's a Bluetooth 5.0, very fast charge. If you charge your phone, it charges really quick and your battery lasts longer. Faster Wi-Fi, sharing, and it shoots 4K videos, obviously, portraits and swiping landscapes and camera system. I just really like how the pictures are taken, especially outside, much better, and I just really love this phone. And I'm hoping all this information really helps you, and hopefully you pick out the right phone. But I'm in love with my phone. Really hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.